Hi and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll walk you through how to use Gemini AI on Chrome. Using Gemini on a Chrome allows you to access Google's AI assistant directly from your browser. It can help you with writing, answering questions, and generating ideas. This guide will show you how to use Gemini AI on Chrome using your mobile device. To begin, unlock your mobile phone and open the Google Chrome app. Tap the search bar at the top, then tap gemini.google.com and press enter. Wait for the Gemini to load. Tap sign in if you are not logged in. Once logged in, you will see the Gemini interface. Tap the text input box at the bottom. Type your question or request. Tap the send button. Then wait for Gemini to generate a response. Then scroll down to read the full answer. Ask follow-up questions if needed. Use it regularly for tasks like writing, learning, or ideas. Tip: be specific with your prompts to get more accurate and useful responses. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.